Hello everyone, this is Jyoti Kumari of class 9th Sri Chaitanya Civils Batch Rajahmundry. In this video, I would like to share my feedback on today's guest lecture which was conducted in our school by the management of Sri Chaitanya. And today's our guest of honor is Parikipandla Narahari sir. Parikipandla Narahari sir is an Indian civil servant employed by the Indian Administrative Services and author. According to Narahari, in his capacity as a district collector of Gwalior, he is one of India's few civil servants to use social media platforms such as Twitter and Facebook to interact with the citizenry to solve their problems. The issues citizens of Gwalior raised on Narahari's wall and were automatically directed to concerned departments. The Better India recognized Narahari sir as 10 most inspiring IAS officers of the year 2017. Narahari sir is one among of those rare professional officers to be credited as publicity advisor to the 3 successive governments of different parties. In today's guest lecture, Narahari sir shared that why and what should we learn from the leaders to become a civil servant, and how can we manage personalities such as physically, professionally and spiritually. He said that to become more productive, we need to avoid too much multitasking and we should focus on the task with eliminating the distractions. He also said that we should know ourselves first. Helping others is good, but only after you know for sure what you want. We should carefully assess our own emotional reactions. We should record our experience and emotions in a notebook so we can understand better. And we should try to see situations from the perspective of another person. He told about the abilities. What is our ability? What is our disability? And who is an able person. He also shared some motivational words such as we should keep a clear goal setting and we should control our goals. We also be proactive, be regular, and we should motivate others to stay motivated. We should be critical about ourselves. At the same time, we should praise ourselves. He also said a few words about communication. How should we communicate with others? What are the advantages of communication? How should we communicate? We should make friends and we move with everybody. We should not form groups as we may lose out on good personalities by early grouping decisions. We should make an eye contact with people as we communicate. We should greet our teachers and smile as we do. He said that to reach our goals, we need to recollect good incidents when things are not so well. Means we always think positive. We should be a positive. And we should learn to trust people no matter what. He said that there are good and all kind of people in this world. He also said that how can we plan our goals? How can we plan to reach our goals? And he said about the leaders and leadership, differences between leader and leadership, and why should we have the quality of leadership, how should we develop our leadership qualities, and many more. The words which are spoken by Narahari sir are very inspirational and motivational to us, and this is our pleasure to interact with such a great personality, and we heartfully thank the management of Sri Chaitanya to conduct this motivational activity for the students of civils. Thank you.